The DJI Mini 3 is a compact and portable drone designed for capturing high-quality aerial photos and videos. It features a 3-axis gimbal camera that delivers smooth and stable footage, as well as a 4K camera with a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor for capturing vivid and detailed images. Check out the view from my Mini 3 Pro. As I was flying over the river, I suddenly heard a loud squawking noise, and it looked like an arrow coming from my right field of vision. My drone suffered a direct hit from a fierce bird of prey. With a chin like Mike Tyson, it took the hit, tumbled a couple of times and recovered without any intervention from me. 0.0 damage.